A four-legged terrestrial ran up and began tasting me. The human shouted, "He likes you!"
I was halfway through an emergency beam-out sequence. Apparently that's affection here too. Humans willingly eat this stuff. They call it fast food, probably because it fast-tracks them to a heart attack. There's a smiling clown handing out artery cloggers, and everyone's just okay with it.
Humans actually lie here frying under their star for fun. They call it sunbathing, Kara. I'd call it slow roasting.
They even marinate in oils first so they cook evenly, apparently.
One told a joke, the others released these sudden, erratic bursts of sound. Laughter, they call it.
I ran a diagnostic. Thought they were having a respiratory collapse.
They offered me this cylinder of processed animal parts on heated bread. Called it a hot dog. I asked what part of the animal it was from. They said, "Don't ask." I'm asking anyway.
They call it exercise. I call it a voluntary suffering ritual, Faye. And they even pay monthly for the privilege.
This gym is basically a torture chamber that humans pay to enter. They lift heavy objects and run in place until they're exhausted.
They voluntarily strain themselves until fluids leak from their skin. They call it working out. We call that biological distress.
And yet, they pay for it?
At first I thought I'd stumbled into a prisoner transport, but nope, this is just how humans commute. They all cram into a metal tube and then pretend each other doesn't exist. I tried saying hello, and the guy next to me looked at me like I'm the crazy one.
They record themselves performing rituals, synchronized movements, odd facial spasms. Apparently this garners likes. I feel like I just watched their ritual dance.
But worse.
Walked into a water disposal chamber. Everything makes noise. The basin sprayed at me when I waved. I think I passed the test. Not sure what kind. I didn't study. Unprovoked skin collision. Full torso contact. My central nerves lit up like an alarm grid. They call it a hug. I call it a boundary violation.
Observed two humans engaging in romance. They exchanged predigestion fluids, made prolonged eye contact like predators. If that's affection, remind me to stay single.
Perimeter is activated correctly for mass cloaking.
They actually paid to get blasted with fog and strobe lights and call it fun. On my planet, we'd call this a light-based interrogation.